In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a toll-free number on Postscript. This process is crucial for ensuring that your business communication is seamless and professional. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Postscript website. Simply type Postscript into your search engine, and you'll be directed to the official site. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. You can either use your registered email and password, or, if you have it linked, simply use your Shopify account to gain access. Logging in is straightforward and secure, ensuring that all your customer data remains protected. Once you're logged in, you'll find a navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you're going to look for and select the Acquisition section. This is where you'll manage how you attract and interact with your customers through Postscript. Now, navigate over to the Keywords page. This section is essential because it's where Postscript will display the toll-free number that has been automatically assigned to your account. This number is what your customers will use to contact you, ensuring they can reach you without any charge on their end. At this point, you should see your newly assigned toll-free number. But before you start using your number, there's an important step: getting it verified. To facilitate this, contact Postscript support to request a verification request for your toll-free number, commonly referred to as TFN. This step is necessary to authenticate your number and prevent any potential misuse. Once you've submitted your request, Postscript will begin a manual review process of your website. This evaluation is vital, as it serves to establish the legitimacy of your online presence. Additionally, it ensures compliance by checking for any shaft content, which includes sex, hate, alcohol, firearms, and tobacco. This thorough review might take up to 5 business days, so it's essential to be patient during this period. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and initiated the verification process for your toll-free number on Postscript. Having a toll-free number not only boosts your business's professional image, but also improves customer satisfaction by providing them an easy way to contact you without any cost to them. Remember, having open lines of communication is key to maintaining strong and lasting relationships with your customers. I hope you find these instructions clear and helpful. If you run into any issues or have further questions, feel free to reach out to Postscript's customer service for extra support. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and good luck with your toll-free number setup.